How to change profile picture on Zoom. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So firstly you have to open your Zoom app and then click on the settings in the bottom right corner. After that you can see in the top of the page your email account and your username. Click on this box and then you come to your my profile option, and in the top of that you can see the profile photo. To change your profile photo you can see the this arrow in the pointing to the right in the right side of the profile photo. Click on this and then you can see the option of choose photo or take photo. But if you want to choose photo, then you can do this. You can choose any of the photo by long holding the photo and then click on the select button in the top right corner. After clicking on the select button, it is saying that complete action using photos or gallery. You can choose the gallery of photos. I choose the gallery and then click on the OK button. Choose any part of the photo and then click on the OK button. You can also crop it, and after choosing this, then here you can see it is your after clicking on the OK button in the bottom, you have saved the change you have changed the profile picture. So that's basically it, that how you can change the profile picture on Zoom. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.